How to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook app and make sure to sign in. Tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, tap setting in privacy, select settings option. Scroll down and choose Media under Preferences section. Now, on the video quality, ensure that the settings are set to optimized or max for higher quality uploads. And you need to make sure you have a strong internet connection as well. Facebook adjusts photos and video quality based on your network speed. A strong and stable connection ensures better uploads. After that, you can simply go ahead and open the home screen. Here you can select what's on your mind and upload any of the pictures you would like to. And if prompted, you can confirm that you want to upload in the best quality. So you can add a caption, text, or any additional content and tap post to share on your Facebook with high quality pictures. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.